and welcome to the third part of this tutorial series on WCH-32 microcontrollers. So to program CH32 microcontrollers as like any other microcontroller or debug them, we will need a programmer debugger, like in this case WCH-Link or Link E or Link E Mini or NanoDAP. So in my case I used the WCH-Link, and although they look quite similar, but there are some differences. For example, the Link E can be used to program the RISC-V microcontrollers, while the WCH-Link cannot program the regular RISC-V microcontrollers. So due to this difference, one may get fooled while buying the debugger programmer, and there are some differences in price as well. So apparently what may look cheap may not be suitable for the CH32 V series microcontroller. So this is the official link for the WCH link, and as you can see, it can work with Mount River Studio, Kale, and Kale Macrovision 5 and above. So another thing I forgot to tell you, that CH32V003 microcontrollers can be programmed with Kale also, but I prefer the Eclipse based Mount River Studio because it's free and there is no need to use illegal means to crack and use Kale. And to me personally, I love the Eclipse environment much more than anything else. It's a personal choice, but it may not be the case for others. So the Link E or the Link can be used with standalone software as well, but so far I did not use the standalone software because I did not need to use it in any of my case. The Mount River Studio does the programming debugging part on its own, so there is no need to use a separate software. But if you want to use a separate software for, let's say, production purposes or mass programming or mass debugging, then it's okay to use a separate software. But other than that, I don't find it very useful to have another software installed in my PC. So that will be all for this part 3. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.